Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to copy files from PC to flash drive. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, prepare your files. For example, I have here a PowerPoint. I have here a video or a clip, and maybe I'm going to add in some music as well. Maybe this one. Alright, so once you have the files, open up your flash drive. This is the first method. Open up your flash drive. So here we have the flash drive's window. You can click, hold and drag to select all of the files that you wanted to transfer, and then just drag and drop it, okay, onto a blank space, not onto a folder. All right. But if you want to transfer it onto a folder directly, well, make sure that the folder is highlighted right here while you're holding up the specific files. If not, just move it away into a blank space, just like so. And then after that, just wait for the process to finish. Now, another option, again, select them all, right click, now show more options. Now go ahead and click on send to USB flash drive, just like so. And again, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, the files will be inside your flash drive. That's how easy it is to copy files from PC to flash drive. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.